Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC8691 microprocessor and microcontrollers, the Unit 1 8086 microprocessor. In the previous session, we are studied the various types of addressing mode, instruction set, assembly language program, and procedures and interrupt service routines. So here the sessions we are going to discuss about the byte and string manipulations. So what is a byte and string manipulations? A series of data bytes or word available in memory at a consecutive location to be referred to collectively are called as a byte string or word string. A string is a group of byte or word and their memory is always allocated in a sequential order. So the following category of string is there. Number 1, move string byte, move string word, repeat load string word, and stop the string byte, stop the string word, and compare the string byte and compare the string word, and scan the string byte and scan the string word. So now we are moving to first example. Move the string byte, move the string word. This instruction copy a word or byte from a location in the data segment to other location in the extra segment. For example, the opcode of source index, the offset of destination is a destination index. For example, byte or word transfer a count in store in the cx registers. That is a there is a counted there is a transfer the count in the memory. So when the direction flag is 0, the source index and destination index are incremented. When the direction flag is 1, the source index and destination index are decremented. Now we see the example of byte and string instructions. First of all, the clear the direction flag. If the condition of direction flag to in the source index and destination index are decremented and incremented, here the direction flag is 0 conditions. So the SI and DA, that is a source index and destination index, is incremented. Now the in our data 000H is moved immediately to the AX register. Again the AS auxiliary the accumulator register data to immediately to move the data segment register, and the another again the accumulator data is again to move to the extra segment register. Now the source index of operand values is 2000H and the destination index of operand values is 2400H. So that source to destination, the data to transfer the transfer count of 04H. The 04H is move or copy or register to the CX register. Now the finally the move string byte, that is a group of string byte, repeat the process. We are using the repeat instruction to the string and byte manipulations. So these are the example program of assembly language level in our 8086 microprocessor. Now we are going to move the first repeat function. In this instruction to which the repeat is provided, it executed repeatedly until the CX register becomes 0. There are two or more options of repeat instruction, that is a repeat equal, repeat 0, and repeat non-equal, repeat non-zero, and the stop string byte and stop string word. The stop string instruction store the auxiliary register content to a location in the string pointed by the extra segment and destination index register pair. The destination index is incremented when the direction flag is clear and the decremented flag is clear, and decremented when the direction flag is set. And the load string byte and load string word, the load string instruction load the register by the content of a string pointed by the destination source, that is a data segment, and source index register pair. The source index is incremented when the direction flag is clear and decremented when the direction flag is set condition. And the compare the string byte and compare the string word. The compare the instructions, compare the string instruction, compare two string of byte or word provided by the destination source, that is a data segment source index, and the extra segment destination index. If the both operand are equal, zero flag is set. If the source operand is greater than the destination operand, carry flag is set. Also helps carry flag is set reset. The source index and destination index are incremented when the direction flag is clear and decremented when the direction flag is set. The length of the string must be stored in the CS register, that is the count direction flag is set or 0 or 1, so the countable transferring the data countable register values is stored in the same set of CX register. Now we are going to move the stop string byte or stop string word. This instruction scan a string of byte or word for a operand byte or word specified in the special registers, that is a AL or AX register, accumulator register. The string is pointed by the extra segment, that is a destination index register pair. Now we are discussing the string and byte manipulation in the 8086 microprocessor. So these various strings instruction to predefined programs are used in the 8086 microprocessor. So to series of data or word in the memory consecutive locations are collected in the string or byte manipulations. Thank you for watching this video.